Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will make butter frosting that you can use on top of cupcakes. Before starting the recipe, a small request to you is that you must subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. By doing this you will be able to get the notification of my new videos. Also, please like my Facebook page. Let's start the recipe. I have 2½ tablespoons of milk. 5 tablespoons of sugar powder will go into it. See, I have put all the sugar powder in it. Now we will mix it well so that the sugar dissolves well in it. I have taken powdered sugar. You can also take sugar if you want. But it takes some time to dissolve and the sugar powder dissolves quickly. See that the sugar is well dissolved. Now we will add 3 drops of vanilla essence in it for taste. You can skip it, if you want. But it will smell great in your frosting. We will make buttercream with only 3 ingredients. Our mixture is well prepared. Now we will put it in the fridge for an hour and a half so that it sets well. It's been an hour and a half since I kept the mixture in the fridge and it's cold now. You have to pour the mixture into the butter while it is cold. See how thick the mixture has become. I have taken 100 grams of unsalted butter. I took it out of the fridge an hour ago. Now it has become very soft. You didn't take too soft and you didn't take too hard either. Look, I'm cutting it with a knife and it's cutting smoothly. It's not too hard. You don't get melted butter at all. Its cream will not be ready. It will become absolutely water. You can also prepare it with a hand beater if you want. But I will make it with electric beater. I just going to run it on high speed for 5 minutes to make a cream. Look, I have 5 minutes. Now we have to take a spatula and collect all the frosting in one place. Now we will beat it again. Now we will add this mixture little by little inside it. Don't put it all at once. I put about a tablespoon of this. After 2 minutes we will add the mixture. I have added a tablespoon and for 2 minutes we will run the beater again. Now we will again collect all the frosting with the help of a spatula. See, I have collected all the butter. Now again I put the mixture in it. The buttercream is ready. See that all the mixture has been used. I put a tablespoon in front of you and kept running the batter for 2 minutes. You don't beat it too much. Otherwise this form will not appear. It will be liquid. Overbeating generates heat and it becomes thinner. Now see that the buttercream is completely ready. The sign of its readiness is that I am turning the spoon upside down and it is not falling at all. Now what you have to do is to put the cream in it. You can also put in a piping bag. I will give it a little press. You can apply it on any cake or pastry. Will give you a great taste. We have prepared the best butter frosting at home with only 3 ingredients. Then you must tell me in the comment box how you like this recipe. If you like it then share with your family and friends and subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page. Now I will return with a new recipe. Goodbye.